Hi, welcome back to the Journey of Stars. I am Luna, and today we'll talk about how the stars in the universe are formed. But before we talk about the process, let's first discuss where the star materials came from.
There have been many tales about our creation, but the most scientifically convincing one is the Big Bang theory. 14 billion years ago, all the matters and energy of the universe were condensed to one area. That area was so hot and pressed to one single point that the balance could not be maintained anymore. Then bang, the material expanded so fast like explosion of fireworks. But wait, what goes before the Big Bang? To be honest, no one knows. There have been guesses that maybe there is a universe before ours. Maybe there is just singularity or a void of unknown. The beginning of space and time remains a mystery, and maybe you, years later, will help find the puzzle piece. Now let's go forward. Within the first 3 minutes of the universe, protons, electrons, and neutrons were formed. Then they collided and made atoms, predominantly hydrogen atoms and some helium atoms. These tiny particles were accelerated, spread across space, and continually collided and formed along the expansion of the universe. To make it clear, since the initial bang was so powerful, based on observation by Hubble, our neighbor stars and galaxies are moving away from us, which means that the universe is still expanding today. So how do the atoms become stars? All we need is hydrogen, gravity, and time. In fact, when they were first formed after Big Bang, the atom experienced quite a tug-of-war. It all starts in a cloud of cold, dark dust. The cloud won't spread away like smoke in the air, but gravity wants to pull together. Gravity wins the battle with gas pressure and pulls the gases into a giant spinning disk. As gravity pulls more gases to the center of the disk, the area becomes denser and hotter over hundreds of thousands of years. As more materials bump into each other, more energy is created. Finally, it becomes a super hot ball with jets of hot gas burst out. At the magic number 15 million degrees, nuclear fusion begins, where hydrogen nucleus collide at a very high speed and finally join to form a new nucleus of helium. During this process, a large amount of energy is released in the form of heat and light. A star begins to shine. That, my friend, is how a star formed. Since stars are formed within regions, they often emerge by pairs as binary stars, or even clusters and clusters. In the next few million years, winds blow the surrounding dust into swirling, magnificent patterns, so the stars are revealed from the nebulae nursery. They shine proudly as a new source of light. Based on their different mass, they begin their process of evolution.
Thank you for watching episode 2 of my series on astronomy, The Journey of Stars. Today, we learn about how the Big Bang produced star materials and how a star is formed from dust and hydrogen atoms. This video is produced by me, along with my project instructor, Mr. Decorado. If you want to learn more about how stars evolve based on their different masses, please subscribe to my channel and follow my coming episode on stellar evolution. Enjoy your day and keep looking up to the stars.